Diclofenac is one of the most commonly prescribed nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs worldwide. The 50 mg tablet is frequently used for pain and inflammatory conditions in both acute and chronic settings. In this lecture, we will comprehensively discuss diclofenac 50 mg, including its pharmacology, clinical uses, safety profile, and monitoring, using standard textbooks and evidence-based guidelines. Introduction. Diclofenac belongs to the class of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and is a phenylacetic acid derivative. Compared to many other NSAID, diclofenac has a potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic action, making it highly effective in musculoskeletal and inflammatory conditions. Brand names: 50 mg. Diclofenac 50 mg is available under several brand names in India and globally. These formulations are widely used in outpatient practice and emergency pain management. Dosage forms. Diclofenac is available in multiple dosage forms. The 50 mg tablet is usually immediate release or enteric-coated to reduce gastric irritation. Other formulations include injections, topical gels, and suppositories. Route of administration. The oral route is the most common route for diclofenac 50 mg. It should preferably be taken after meals to minimize gastrointestinal side effects. Dose. The usual adult dose of diclofenac is 50 mg to 2-3 times daily. The maximum recommended daily dose is 150 mg. Therapy should always use the lowest effective dose for the shortest duration possible. Mechanism of action. Diclofenac inhibits both cyclooxygenase 1 and cyclooxygenase 2 enzymes, leading to decreased synthesis of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are mediators of pain, inflammation, and fever, and their suppression explains diclofenac's therapeutic effects. Pharmacokinetics. Diclofenac is rapidly absorbed after oral administration but undergoes significant first-pass hepatic metabolism. It is highly protein-bound and is metabolized mainly in the liver, with metabolites excreted via the kidneys. Indications. Diclofenac is widely used for inflammatory joint disorders such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, as well as for acute pain conditions including dental pain, post-operative pain, and menstrual pain. Adverse effects, common. The most common adverse effects of diclofenac involve the gastrointestinal system due to reduced protective prostaglandins in the gastric mucosa. Serious adverse effects. Serious adverse effects include gastrointestinal bleeding, liver enzyme elevation, renal dysfunction, and an increased risk of cardiovascular events, especially with long-term or high-dose use. Contraindications. Diclofenac is contraindicated in patients with active peptic ulcer disease, severe hepatic or renal impairment, heart failure, and in late pregnancy due to risk of premature closure of the ductus arteriosus. Precautions. Extra caution is needed in elderly patients and those with hypertension or a prior history of gastrointestinal bleeding. Long-term therapy requires careful monitoring. Drug-drug interactions. Diclofenac can increase bleeding risk when combined with anticoagulants and corticosteroids. It may reduce the efficacy of antihypertensive drugs and increase methotrexate toxicity. Drug-food interactions. Taking diclofenac with food reduces gastric irritation, whereas alcohol significantly increases the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. Monitoring parameters. Patients on prolonged diclofenac therapy should be monitored for blood pressure, renal function, and liver enzymes to detect early toxicity. Lab tests. These investigations help identify anemia due to bleeding, hepatic injury, or renal impairment during diclofenac therapy. Thank you for watching this detailed pharmacology lecture on diclofenac 50 mg. Stay tuned for more exam-oriented medical content.